QA2759D aircraft grade right angle drill. So it's a quadrant 50 and it's pretty good. So how silent it is. The threaded is 1/4-28 TPI, and it's a Rockwell, so made forever. So we're going to there's some holes here. You can see this. You see this? This is special. It's very convenient when we have hard to reach places, like if we are in a so this is real. Here are the holes we just made. It comes with these three drill bits. I'm gonna give you a closer look. There it is. So the drill bits that you will accept is 1/4-28 TPI, and it comes with 3 drill bits. You know, it's a Rockwell. Yeah. Okay. Speed is 2800 RPM, and this is the model number 21A623E. This tool was made and designed forever. Still works. It's very silent, and also it's very light. Let me turn this on. See how light it is. It's less than 1 kilogram, but if you go to pound, it's about 2 pounds. See, I can. Oh. Exactly, is 1 pound and 13 ounces weight. So it comes with a swivel, quick connect, which is very convenient, and it's almost nowhere. Some rust. The drill bits are a little rusty, but the tool is pretty neat. There's a marking that was sanded. This tool was owned by the United States Air Force, so they use this for maintenance on their planes. You actually, if you see right here, you see right here, you can change the bit. This is stick rod in there, and you can just change the bit right there. Very neat. This is nice to keep it forever. Bye. Thank you.